want to talk about these amazing, little, delicious, semi sort of pulled chicken sandwiches. Let's see how. All right, everyone, what is up today? It is Thirsty Thursday, and people are just bothering me because they are hungry, and I didn't make any food because I was gonna drink my dinner tonight. So, quickly, because I had no chicken thighs or anything, I thawed out some boneless skinless chicken breast. I didn't do anything special to them. I used some Crystal hot sauce, Fiesta brand, season it all, and Chud's poultry rub because I really want this to be really good, so I'm trying to find something to do with it that makes it work, and I'm just blending it with some other seasonings to give it a little boost. I did this in the house. It's not really a cooking show, so you don't really need to watch me do this. Just testing stuff, and I am going to test some pulled chicken today. I have the egg fired up to about 190 degrees currently. I got some pecan wood chips from B&B in there, and I am just gonna slow smoke these things for a little bit. I'm gonna try to wrap them and just do whatever I can to keep them moist and make some delicious pulled chicken, because people ask about it all the time and you don't really see it being done anywhere. So that's what we're gonna. All right, so it's bright as shit out, so I don't know what you can see because I can barely see anything. I'm gonna just set these pieces up here on the PS Woo. I have my ThermalWorks square dot, just monitoring my grate temp because it's pretty much, since it is raised so high, it is pretty accurate to the dome temperature gauge, but I just want to make sure, because sometimes it could be a few degrees off, and I just want to make sure I stay under 200 degrees for at least an hour to get some good smoke on here. So we're rolling with that, and I'll be back when they're done. All right, I got a little bit of Duke's mayonnaise here, some shredded romaine. I don't want to have to put mayonnaise on my bun, so I'm just gonna throw a little bit in here. Mix it up. All right, I got some buns. I got some pickles that I make, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of pickles out here. I don't want the juice going through my bun, so I'm gonna dry them off on a napkin. A little bit of dill with them. I'm gonna take my mayonnaise lettuce. Up that down. Chicken. Couple of pickles. Beautiful little sandwich. More chicken. More pickles. Mayonnaise lettuce. Beautiful bun. All right, we got our sandwiches made. Pickles on. Gotta eat them before the flies do. Give them a try and see how they are. I'm like 8 shots and 4 beers deep. And this thing is really fucking good for a summer sandwich. If you're just playing around in your backyard and you need a quick dinner snack, anything, I highly recommend this. Try it with chicken thighs. It might go better, but this is the way to go. Right here, I don't think you could beat this for a semi-healthy light snack, lunch, dinner. Yeah, do it.